Hello. I'm going to walk you through some of the bits and pieces of Google App Engine. And this video is meant to accompany an article I wrote on freesourcing.org. Right off the bat, it'll bring you to the Google App Engine homepage. From here you can download the App Engine SDK, you can read the getting started, and this is all really easy stuff, like most of Google's stuff. It's well documented, really useful, and not hard at all to follow. One of the first things that you'll notice about App Engine, and I'm on Windows 7, and I think they have a similar tool for Macintosh and Linux, but actually Linux maybe not. But this App Engine launcher lets me keep track of my applications. So I've got my free sourcing directory, which is the app I wrote for this little tutorial, and simply clicking this Run icon, it then starts up an environment where I can test this application. And so in this local environment, it keeps track of data as though it were interacting with their real data store, and runs just as though it were up on their servers. So the local development is fantastic. It gives you a chance to go in and edit the code and make modifications and tweak and adjust. And then when you're ready, that same tool allows you to click one time and deploy your software up to Google servers. So once you deploy it, then you find it up here, freesourcingdirectory.appspot.com. And of course, once it's deployed, then you can direct traffic there. And as I understand it, there's also a way to attach your own domain name to this application, and it's pretty easy. So I do want to tell you about one thing that's pretty clever that they've done. What they've done is, with Google App Engine, you have the option of integrating their Google accounts. So that means anybody who has a Gmail account or a Google account of any sort can log into your application using that Google account. And so you'll notice there's a link down here, log in using my Google account. And on the local host, you get this funny little screen where you can come up with some name, click login, and then it will treat you as a logged in user. And here's an example of some of the ways you can customize it once somebody's logged in. Now, up on the live system, once you've deployed this up onto Google servers and you click login using my Google account, then it will actually send you to a login page for Google. And once you type in your username and password and you log in, then based on that login, you can begin to customize your user's experience, and you don't have to worry about storing passwords in a database or doing any authentication or authorization. It's all taken care of by Google. So a big security bonus. Now, the final thing I wanted to show you was the dashboard, and this is the dashboard for your application. You put it up there, your CPU, outgoing bandwidth, incoming bandwidth, and so on. It keeps track of all of these, and you have a certain number, you have a quota that is allotted to you, and provided that you don't exceed that quota, then it never costs you a penny. Now, if you do go over that quota, you can buy at a very affordable rate. You can buy additional bandwidth, CPU time, data storage, and so on. So anyway, and the nice thing is it's all right here. So go have a look at freesourcingdirectory.appspot.com, and then come on back and tell me what you think about it, and post any questions you have. Thanks. Bye.